I've been making this even before I got married and all. Slowly the whole thing got evolved. Like that time it used to be an exotic thing and everything. Like my husband, he used to be my boyfriend, so I used to cook for him the same thing. My son also enjoys the same thing, but now like we've shifted to red rice and olive oil and all those things. But flavor still remains the same. Manav is my only child. Like while he was studying, he always enjoyed helping me in the kitchen, and whenever I used to tell him, like earlier you used to help me, now you don't, and he said, but that is because I could escape studying, so that now I'm not studying, so I don't need to do anything.